is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And welcome back, everyone. Hopefully you're having a nice end to the weekend. I know a little soggier, a little rainier than what we wanted to see, but we gave you the first alert about this last night. And even though it has been raining in all areas all day long, we have seen some good amounts of rain so far, and still the potential that some areas could see some high amounts of rain through late tonight, even into tomorrow morning. So this is a graphic here from the Weather Prediction Center. The yellow indicates a slight risk of seeing excessive rainfall in the forecast through late tonight. The green is a little bit of a lesser chance, so we call that a marginal risk. You can see that's generally west of the Continental Divide, but most of the News 5 viewing area is in this yellow shaded area, and that is why we have gone weather alert. So giving you sort of a behind the scenes look at the method to the madness here. And this is what we're expecting tonight. Again, areas of heavy rain, especially over the southern mountain ranges until about midnight tonight. The plain areas, though, we could see showers here continuing until early Monday morning. Areas along the mountain plains interface could see anywhere between about a quarter of an inch to an inch of rain. Isolated amounts up to 2 inches. And of course, this could create areas of dangerous flooding, creeks, roadways, burn scars. Even urban areas could experience flooding here if you get caught beneath one of these slow moving storms that's dropping a lot of rain. Now, these green boxes are the flash flood warnings. We have one down in southwestern Los Animas County, and we also have one right here for the northern portion of the Spring Fire burn scar. Whenever those warnings are issued, that means that Doppler radar indicates higher intensity rainfall amounts that could trigger mud and debris flows, especially on areas that have seen a lot of rain, so the soil is a little bit easier to move around. As we zoom on into Pueblo County, southeastern parts of El Paso County, getting some good storms out here right towards Boone, moving east towards Only Springs out there in Crowley County. Take you a little bit farther to the west. We are getting a good amount of rain across the upper Arkansas River Valley. Canyon City, heads up. We have some lightning moving your way and some heavier downpours. Most of the rain in the Springs right now generally up across the mountains or down towards Fountain and the south side of towns. Now, if you look at the pretty shot behind me, our tower cam here at our Rock Ribbon Studios, the skies do look threatening as we look off to the west. 66 degrees with some rain showers in parts of town. Also have some rain still falling here across the Palmer Divide. Monument Hill right now at 63 degrees, sort of a cool end to the weekend. Trinidad, it was a soaker earlier today, but a little bit of a break. Look at the pretty clouds right there out across Fisher's Peak, where we have 64 degrees outside your front door. And yeah, I swear this is the top of Pikes Peak, but we can't see it. It's shrouded in cloud cover. A lot of rain up here this afternoon with temperatures right now hovering in the low 40s. So we are watching this cold front right now up across eastern parts of the Palmer Divide. I think that will trigger more showers and storms for at least the next couple of hours. And then on the backside of that cold front, a little less activity Monday before the monsoon surges back into southern Colorado on Tuesday. So as we look ahead over the next couple of days, I think Tuesday is going to be that heavier rain potential. Wednesday, that's the time when we transition back to some drier weather. So even though it's a little bit drier Monday, as I mentioned, still we'll see some spotty showers in the afternoon. You can see that here as we take you hour by hour. The plains could stay wet in the overnight hours. And then anytime afternoon, the mountains get going, and especially those areas out west towards the Continental Divide, that's where the biggest threat for the heavier rain will be tomorrow. So overnight lows tonight dropping down to the 50s and 60s. Tomorrow an even cooler day, which actually helps to stabilize the atmosphere even more than what we saw out there this afternoon. Up to 80 degrees Tuesday as we go 3 on that impact scale, and then we likely dry out at least for a couple of days heading into the end of the week. Pueblo will be in the 80s here. Comfortable highs Monday and Tuesday. Rainiest day Tuesday, drying out Wednesday into Thursday. Canyon City near daily rain chances here since we're west of I-25, a little more moisture to work with. And a similar story, Andy, for Woodland Park, with Tuesday, the next day we're sort of targeting for the potential for heavier rain and flash flooding. Back to you.